Daily and nightlife in Jakarta. Daily life in Jakarta, the vibrant and bustling capital of Indonesia, is a dynamic and multifaceted experience that reflects the city's diverse culture, modern development, and unique challenges. With a population of over 10 million people, Jakarta is a melting pot of traditions, lifestyles, and aspirations. Here, we delve into the intricacies of daily life in Jakarta, capturing its essence from morning to night. Morning rituals and commute. The city awakens to the sounds of traffic and bustling activity. As the sun rises, the streets start to fill with people heading to work, school, and other engagements. The morning rush hour presents a familiar scene of crowded roads, where cars, motorcycles, and public transportation vehicles jostle for space. Commuters rely on various modes of transport, including private vehicles, public buses, the Jakarta MRT, and the Trans-Jakarta Bus Rapid Transit System. Work and business. Jakarta is a hub of economic activity, with various industries and businesses driving its bustling economy. Skyscrapers and office complexes are home to professionals and entrepreneurs, contributing to the city's vibrant work culture. Offices hum with activity as people engage in meetings, collaborate on projects, and tackle the day's tasks. The workday typically follows a standard 9-to-5 schedule, punctuated by lunch breaks and the occasional coffee run. Education and learning. Education is highly valued in Jakarta, and the city offers a range of educational institutions from primary schools to universities. Children in crisp uniforms fill schoolyards, while university campuses buzz with lectures and discussions. The pursuit of knowledge is a central aspect of daily life, with students and educators engaged in learning and skill development. Cultural diversity and religious harmony. Jakarta's social fabric is woven with threads of diversity. People of different ethnicities, languages, and religious backgrounds coexist harmoniously. Mosques, churches, temples, and other places of worship stand as symbols of Jakarta's commitment to religious freedom. Cultural celebrations and festivals provide opportunities for people to come together, share traditions, and celebrate their heritage. Culinary adventures. Food is an integral part of daily life in Jakarta. The city's culinary scene offers a tantalizing array of flavors, from street food stalls serving aromatic nasi goreng, fried rice, to upscale restaurants offering international cuisines. Lunch breaks often involve exploring local eateries, where people indulge in dishes like sate, grilled skewers, bakso, meatball soup, and rendang, spicy beef stew. Afternoons and evenings. As the day progresses, Jakarta's energy remains palpable. Afternoons are a mix of work and leisure, with people seeking respite from the midday heat. Malls and shopping centers become popular destinations, offering air-conditioned havens for shopping, dining, and entertainment. Evenings bring a transformation, with the city's streets adorned in vibrant lights and buzzing with activity. Nightlife and entertainment. When the sun sets, Jakarta's nightlife comes to life. The city offers a diverse range of entertainment options, from live music venues and cultural performances to rooftop bars and nightclubs. People unwind and socialize, enjoying the company of friends and the excitement of Jakarta's after-dark scene. Karaoke centers, theaters, and cinemas provide further avenues for leisure. Challenges and resilience. Daily life in Jakarta is not without its challenges. Traffic congestion, air pollution, waste management issues, and flooding are part of the city's reality. Despite these challenges, Jakarta's residents demonstrate resilience and adaptability. Government initiatives and community-driven efforts aim to address these issues and create a more sustainable and livable urban environment. Home and family. At the heart of daily life in Jakarta is the importance of family. Evenings often see families gathering for meals, sharing stories, and bonding. Traditional values are upheld, and family ties are cherished. Jakarta's residential areas encompass a mix of modern apartment complexes, suburban neighborhoods, and traditional kampongs, villages, each contributing to the city's unique fabric. Quiet moments and reflection. Amid the city's hustle and bustle, there are moments of quiet reflection. Parks and green spaces offer sanctuaries where people can escape the urban chaos and find solace. Taman Saripati and other parks provide opportunities for exercise, relaxation, and connection with nature. In a city that never sleeps, daily life in Jakarta is a dynamic tapestry woven with threads of culture, tradition, work, and leisure. From the early morning commute to the vibrant nightlife, Jakarta's residents navigate a complex urban landscape while preserving their cultural heritage. Through challenges and triumphs, Jakarta continues to evolve, reflecting the spirit of its people and offering a captivating experience for all who call it home. Nightlife in Jakarta. Nightlife in Jakarta is an exciting and vibrant experience that comes alive after the sun sets. As one of Southeast Asia's most dynamic cities, Jakarta offers a diverse array of entertainment options to cater to different tastes and preferences. From trendy nightclubs and rooftop bars to live music venues and cultural performances, Jakarta's nightlife scene provides ample opportunities to unwind, socialize, and have a memorable night out. Here's a closer look at the nightlife in Jakarta. Nightclubs and dance parties. Jakarta boasts a thriving club scene with numerous nightclubs located throughout the city. The nightlife areas of Kemang, SCBD, Sudirman Central Business District, and Kota Casablanca are well known for their trendy and bustling clubs. These venues often feature top local and international DJs, playing a mix of electronic dance music, EDM, hip-hop, and popular hits. The dance floors are packed with energetic crowds, creating an electrifying atmosphere that lasts until the early hours of the morning. Rooftop bars and lounges. For those seeking a more laid-back and sophisticated nightlife experience, Jakarta offers a variety of rooftop bars and lounges. These venues provide stunning views of the city skyline, making them ideal for unwinding and enjoying cocktails or mocktails with friends. Jakarta's rooftop bars are known for the chic ambience, making them popular destinations for after-work gatherings and special occasions. Live music venues. Music enthusiasts can find an abundance of live music venues in Jakarta. The city has a vibrant music scene that caters to various genres, including jazz, pop, rock, and traditional Indonesian music. Local bands and talented musicians perform at bars, cafes, and dedicated music venues, providing an opportunity to enjoy live performances in an intimate setting. Cultural performances and shows. For a taste of Indonesia's rich cultural heritage, Jakarta's nightlife includes traditional performances and cultural shows. The Taman Ismail Marzuki (TIM) complex and cultural centers like Komunitas Salihara often host traditional dance, music, and theater performances. These shows offer a unique insight into Indonesia's diverse cultural traditions. Karaoke and entertainment centers. Karaoke is a beloved pastime in Indonesia, and Jakarta has a plethora of karaoke and entertainment centers. Whether with friends or family, these centers provide private karaoke rooms where guests can sing their favorite tunes and enjoy food and drink services. Street food and midnight snacks. No nightlife experience in Jakarta is complete without exploring the city's vibrant street food scene. Food stalls and food trucks set up late into the night, offering a variety of delicious snacks and meals. From savory satay and grilled seafood to traditional Indonesian favorites, street food is a delightful way to refuel after a night of revelry. 24-hour cafes and restaurants. For night owls and those seeking a late-night bite, Jakarta has numerous 24-hour cafes and restaurants. These establishments cater to a wide range of tastes and offer a variety of cuisines to satisfy late-night cravings. Shopping and night markets. Some of Jakarta's markets and shopping areas extend their opening hours into the late evening. Night markets like Pasar Santa and Pasar Tanah Abang offer unique shopping experiences where visitors can explore local products, handicrafts, and fashion items. Jakarta's nightlife is a dynamic and diverse experience that caters to a broad range of preferences. From dancing in trendy nightclubs to enjoying live music in cozy venues, exploring traditional performances, or savoring street food, Jakarta's after-dark scene offers something for everyone. The city's vibrant nightlife adds to its allure as a captivating destination for residents and visitors alike. Thanks for watching.